Hi, this video is on how to create a ticket status in Zoho Desk. So in Zoho Desk, we are going to click on this icon setup, and under customization, modules and tabs, there is this option layouts and fields. If you click on that, we will go into this layout and we are going to look for the field status. So this is the field status. Now there is this field setting option here. If you click on that and edit properties, so these are the statuses currently in our Zoho Desk. And in order to add a new status, there's a button here, add status. We're going to give a new status of, say, booked. And we are going to select status type as, let's just say open, and then fall back to default, save. All right, so our ticket status has been added successfully. We will close this and save our layout. So let's close and save. Perfect. And now we're going to create a new ticket to see if our status is showing or not. So if we head over to status here, click on this list. As you can see, our book status shows up here. So you'll be able to create a ticket with a booked status. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Or if you have any Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstar.it.com. Thanks for watching.